Assalamu alaikum. I wish you would be fine. My name is Mohammad Yasin. I am from BB4 Section A. My website is www.secondhandessays.com. My website is based on the purchase and sale of the second-hand ACs. So before we go, we must understand why second-hand ACs, not new one. As we know, our society is relatively low income society, and as in the low income society, people have no affordability to purchase new products. As per the economic discussion, we know our society, our Pakistan society is moving from the lower income society to the middle income society. Therefore, in the this moving process, in this shifting process, most of the people are shifting from the rural to the urban areas. Means we can say the society is being relatively urbanized. Therefore, people who, who are coming for the urbanized areas, they are not more affordable to purchase new products. Most of them, as per my research, want to purchase these used products. Therefore, I have created a website to facilitate those people and their demands for split and windows ACs. It is a very important part to understand need for website in our presentation. What is the actual need that we should implement a program? Actually, we find that there is always a bridge between the supplier and customer. There is always a market from where they can sell and purchase the products. Therefore, my for my business area, there is much difficulty for customers to find a place, find a shop where they can find the old or used second-hand ACs. On the other hand, it is very difficult for the supplier to come from far-flung areas to sell out the product. Sometimes they earn the losses, huge losses, and sell out on the lower prices. Therefore, I have created a website in which just they will upload relatively feature and prices with their contact numbers, nothing else. And for the customers, we say that sometimes they go for a different shop and they look different areas, but they can't find the actual product. Therefore, to facilitate them just from their own home to order the website, order the product, we will help out them. They have no need to go for different areas to purchase product, purchase air conditioner. We are here to facilitate them, which is actual need of this website. After completion and creation of the website, it is very important to know how would be the working of website. There are different activities and process. For the supplier activity is discussed in the previous slide. For the supplier activity, he will upload the real picture with the price plus contact number and address. As far as the demander activity, the person customer who want to purchase, he will look at the page. He will find different ACs. Once he is done with the specific out of them, he will contact with me so that he can purchase it. Once he has ordered me, I will make a contact with the supplier. I will purchase from the supplier and sell out that supplier, that customer. So this is how supplier and demand activity will be proceeded. How would be the transaction process? This was the total total procedure by which supplier and demander can upload their demands, upload their information, and how they can purchase the demand, purchase the product. As far as the profit is concerned, I mentioned in my project that there will be no profit until and unless my website is succeeded and renowned. Once it has taken more than 40, more than 30 transactions, then I will apply a profit. Profit from the supplier side is 10% and 5% from the uh, demander side, customer side. The question arises here: customer and supplier will be able to give me that profit? Will that find is feasible for them? Yes, of course they will. Because for the supplier, sometimes they go to the shops, they bear the losses, they sell on the lower prices. So they also had to walk so far areas, so different areas to sell their product. But now they just have to upload the information on the website. And for the customer, as for the customer side, customer has no need to run at the different cities to purchase their product. They will just look from the they will just come on the website. They will search the different ACs. Once they are selected with one, they will make order, and I will make that order accomplished. So they had nothing to do with the business of walking, with the business of running for the purchase. Just this is a platform for both parties, and they will enjoy this platform. There comes an awareness. How would I make aware the people? There are two techniques by which people can be aware. One is a newspaper and other is a social media. By the newspaper, there is a kavish in our Sindhi language. I will do aware people by the newspaper as a kavish, and the social media. As far as the social media, uh, I will advertise on the Facebook. There's the option by which I can select the area to whom I have to make the aware. Agents and suppliers. What are and who are the more preferable agents for me, suppliers for me, to whom I can purchase these ACs, air conditioners on the lower prices? I know that there are agents who are at the Karachi and Sakkar, who bring air conditioners from the Dubai, Saudi, and from other countries. So they sell here to the shopkeepers. I will make the contact with them. I will first of all I will take the purchase 10 to 15 air conditioners on my own investment. Once I purchase these, I will share my own contact number with the shopkeepers. If somebody comes to them, they are supposed to share my website, share my contact number, so that they can approach to me. This is how everything will be proceeded. Thank you so much.